Man, you know why I really love this dish is because of the versatility. It doesn't matter what you want to put into it, put whatever you like into your pho. It's a customizable soup. I've seen guys put beef tendon, tongue, tripe. Not my deal. I'm going fresh vegetables from Devo's garden and my teriyaki chicken. So check this out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Furby's Kitchen. My name's Shane Furbay. I am so stoked to have you guys back in the house because we are doing something, one of my favorite dishes of the Vietnamese style pho. But I put a little twist on there. Just like any other pho, you want to have a beautiful stock or base to start this soup. So check out my Asian-inspired chicken stock video to get that beautiful base that we started with here. We're gonna be infusing that with a lot of different stuff that came out of Devo's garden. Loving these hatch green chilies, fresh baby zucchinis, carrots, and basil that came right out of Devo's garden. So thanks for bringing those up. We're gonna keep it fresh, keep it sustainable. Follow me right over here. I'm gonna show you what we're working with. This is our chicken stock, Asian-inspired as I mentioned. Guys, anytime that you're making a stock, make sure that you're keeping an eye on it and constantly skimming. You know, I like to go in about once every 10 minutes to just make sure I'm skimming off any foam or anything that's floating on top of the stock so that we get rid of those impurities and you're just left with this beautiful, beautiful, clear, translucent stock that's been clarified itself. And like I said, we have a little bit of soy, a little bit of sesame, a little bit of chili in here too. If you could smell what I'm smelling right now, Devin, what do you think?
Oh, it smells amazing.
It does smell amazing. So this is gonna be our base, all right? So for our noodles that are going into the pho, I'm using a rice vermicelli noodle, okay? These are very, very, very thin, and I've soaked them in very hot water for about 15 minutes. Be careful not to over soak these noodles, okay? They will get mushy on you, okay? We want a little bit of texture, almost like an al dente, okay? So let's get into the vegetables. A lot of this dish is gonna be the prep work itself. The stock takes the most time, as well as roasting off the chicken. All right, our chicken is just coming out. Look at that beautiful caramelization on that skin. I love that nice little crispy texture that it's gonna have. Like I said, a little sweetness here from that brown sugar in the teriyaki marinade. Now, this isn't the same chicken that I did marinate on the video, but I did follow the same exact recipe. So feel free to enjoy this as a stir fry. We're gonna be putting this into our soup, and whatever's left over, I'm vacuum sealing, taking it home for myself. All right, so all of our mise en place is in order here. Our noodles have been pre-soaked. All the vegetables have been cut, washed appropriate. I have all of our chicken sliced as well as our grilled shrimp and our pho base, our Asian style chicken stock. I'm gonna go ahead and assemble the dish, and then me and Devo are gonna tell you how good it is. Our vermicelli noodles, right in the bottom. Gonna give it a little twist there. It smells so amazing right now. All those great flavors, a little bit of that sesame in the broth, it's all coming out, all these nice aromatics. Our teriyaki chicken, like I said, I left the skin on, super tender after we've roasted them off. Gonna get these in here as well. Zucchini yellow squash, like I said, straight out of Devo's garden. I'm just gonna mix these up, put a little array on there. Little hatch green chili, gonna add a little bit of heat, not too much. But I love these particular chilies. A bit of bean sprouts, right in the center. A bit of green onions. Lovely, and we're just gonna finish it off with a nice little garnish. Some beautifully grown basil. Beautiful, so that's our final product right here. Like I said, there's a Vietnamese twist off of a pho dish with our Asian-inspired chicken stock. My name's Shane Furbay. Thanks again for stopping in at Furby's Kitchen. It was great to have you in here. We got tons more content coming in. Please subscribe to Cook, Garden, and Life. We can't wait to see you next time. Later. Hey guys, welcome back to Furby's Kitchen. My name's Shane Furbay. It's great to have you back in my kitchen.
I hope you enjoyed these tips from Trish.
Devo Gardens. Rock. Yeah, I'm gonna garden.